this, and has made public that if one more video of this quality goes out like this, we're folding up shop and we're closing down. But nothing's really changed with Doge. People got a little excited. They're my jabronis that are caught in a trade they never wanted to be in and in a spot they can't get out of are hoping and praying that this pump right here off the 200-day moving average that has now ran into overhead resistance, or hit the 50-day moving average and now pumped and hit overhead resistance on the 200-day moving average, could be about to make another leg down. And you say, how the fuck do you know that? And why are you always showing me bearish scenarios? I want a fucking bullish scenario. I'm stuck in this trade from the Saturday night hype train. Well, I'm sorry, I can't help you. We've given you state-of-the-art, probability-based trading alerts to make you not be there. If you go back and watch a very, very explosive video where I went over how the gangsters and shysters and fleecers on YouTube got all you jabronis in here. That's why we made the Jabroni Killer, which I believe I did. I can't believe it. This is heartbreaking. I deleted the Duck Hunter. Actually, it was the Jabroni Killer. Is he deleted? Yeah, he's deleted. We'll do one thing for you real quick. There's not much to talk about here. We'll zoom in real quick at the end of this video. I know I'm boring my audience. You're not used to being bored here. You're used to being entertained. There we go. A little happy duck hunter. Give him a little feet. He's a hunter, so he's got a beard. He's got some big ears. Boy, that's some big ears you got on you there, boss. Well, that's for hearing, boss. Yep, but he's waiting and perched. Here, we'll give him a little chair. Give him a little chair so he can sit down because he's perched. Give him a little top hat. Yeah, now he looks sexy. He's ready for his date. He's got to find a Mrs. Duck Hunter, right? Any Mrs. Duck Hunters out there interested in a duck hunter? Give him a call at 662-18101. But there's our duck hunter back, everyone's favorite. But now if we look at brief charting before I exit here, and this will be my last video of the evening because I'm very excited, but I have a very, very, very entertaining and exciting show for you tomorrow on Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, where you come to get that probability-based trading alerts. You can see some overhead resistance. Now. You can see some overhead resistance there, right? Right. We all see that. We're not fucking jabronis. That's the wrong one. We got to get our little line tool out here. Right now. Here. Move our little dot up now. And start finding support. Support. Right now. And you say, what the fuck is that? Well, what we have here is attempting to break above the 50 and 200-day moving average. And if we do, the targeted move, you should already know where it is. Wait for it. You know it's coming. That's right. It would be up here trying to make a spectacular run at a phenomenal double top and then crash. And then if that happened, your next, based off of our previous lines, your overhead support would be just extend your line further down into the future. And we're going to leave this here as a case study. See that? If it pumps up, right? If it pumps, this is where you're going to come back down to. Remember that. If you get this double top, that's exactly where you're going to come down to because it's telegraphing it for you. If you can confirm this break above here and you do not pass this overhead resistance, you're going to crash immediately back down here because it's all a manipulated pump, orchestrated and put into motion and executed flawlessly and beautiful by the criminal gangster cartel that gets all the hype, gets all the jabronis, gives them all fake hope as they think they're about to break even from their horrible, disgusting, uninformed, uneducated decision up here by the hype hustlers and promoters across YouTube that are being paid by the criminal gangster cartel to infiltrate the trading market and fleece the retail investor and drive them further into bankruptcy and dependency on the government. But that's all I got. I am exhausted. I have to get up very, very early tomorrow to go back to Rivian, son. Rivian, buy that shit when it comes public. Because as you know in my last video, I am a coffee garbage bitch boy. And it's a very important job. Peace and love. Peace and love.